I still love it. Depending on myself, not the plan. Resting in God is where I stand. Rather build my house on the rock instead of building it on the sand. When the storm come, when the wind blow, clean the God clothes so they can't fall. If I rest in my own strength, then I will blow it. Old Nintendo, on my own functioning. Tried that before I was tumbling. Ended up on the ground grumbling. Pride come before the fall, humbling. When I'm facing random tests and I don't know what to do. No matter how things may look, God is gonna bring me through. Some things I faced was short, some things I faced was longer. He really tried my faith, but it made my faith stronger. Yeah, that James 1:2-18. I gotta keep that in mind with stuff I'm facing. I thank God for my brothers that can relate to being crossed. Not only that, they help me keep my focus on the cross. When I face a situation that's an odd test, gotta trust in the process.
God will never give me more than I can get, more than I can, more than I can get, more than I can get, more than I can. God will never give me more than I can get, more than I can, more than I can get, more than I can get, more than I can. God will never give me more than I can get, more than I can, more than I can get, more than I can get, more than I can. God will never give me more than I can get, more than I can.
He just won't do it, cause he's a good God. Life is scary, and I know I shouldn't fear. And the Lord promised not to give me more than I can bear. Yeah, but life is crazy. Sometimes I shed tears. I'm not the only one, but when the storm begun, the old Holy One is right there, standing in the rain with me, the same pain as me. I can't lie, sometimes it ain't plain to see when the sky is dark and the fire hot. I really hope y'all be praying for me. These natural disasters kill faster than cancer. Fatality in these tragedies got me seeking for answers, but the only answer is life, and the remedy is in Christ. You're not into it cause we hypocritical Christians just ain't right, but just remember we still in flesh, and that means we still a mess. But we got faith to get through these tests, cause without faith there's only death. And we gon' press and we gon' strive. We are blessed cause he don't lie. It ain't about how much money you got, cause after death, man, we gon' rise. Whatever you face, have no fear. God gives grace, so cast your care. And one more thing that I wanna make clear.
God will never give me more than I can